Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Trina Spear. She is the CEO and co-founder at FIGS. Trina, fantastic to have you here along with nurses. You just rang the opening bell celebrating Nurses Week. So Trina, tell me, how are you celebrating Nurses Week and making it so special?
Okay, so first off, at FIGS, every day is Nurses Week.
Every day is Nurses Week!
And so we're just, this week is really special. Our whole goal being at the New York Stock Exchange is to get the entire financial community, everybody behind our nurses who have dedicated their lives to serving others. And our goal at FIGS is to celebrate, empower, and serve those who serve others. And this week is just another example of that.
For Trina, people who are not familiar with FIGS, tell me what it is you do and the community you serve.
So we are a global healthcare apparel brand, and our whole goal is to improve the lives of healthcare professionals. And so, we started with product. We build the most technical products that help healthcare professionals, that when they're going to work, when they're at work, when they're going from work, head to toe, on shift, off shift, everything that they're doing in their day, and with comfort, style, functionality, fit, we really aim to serve them in any way we can.
So you mentioned that you started with product. In what ways do you fuse product and marketing to drive excitement around this for healthcare?
Yeah, so right after this, we're going to see billboards in Times Square with all their faces. And so our whole goal there is to inspire the next generation to become healthcare professionals, because if without them, we won't be here. And without these wonderful nurses, society won't be what it is. They're the backbone of any functioning society around the world. And our whole job is to show up for them so they can go and do their jobs.
Now, FIGS has an ambassador program. Tell me about this.
So we have about 400 ambassadors around the world. And, FIGS, we're the platform, right? We're the platform so they can tell their stories, talk about what they do, the ups, the downs, the challenges, and the triumphs of being a healthcare professional. It's a pretty incredible job. It's super fulfilling. And how do we amplify their stories and really show the world what it's all about?
FIGS does so much to create impact for healthcare professionals. How do you approach impact as a company?
So it started with Threads for Threads. Threads for Threads is our mission, really about donating scrubs around the world to outfit healthcare professionals who can't afford or access them. And it's become much bigger than that. We just opened a FIGS ICU and operating theater in Kenya.
Yes! Major!
You're the best. It took us about 3 years to build it. And then that kind of has evolved even further to advocacy work. And so we're fighting in Washington right now for our Awesome Humans bill to help with mental health, pay equity, safety, getting rid of all that burdensome paperwork. And so our whole mission is how can we really deliver impact at scale, globally, in all of these different ways, and really care about the things that they care about. That's all it's about.
Now, when you think about the future of FIGS, what are you most excited about?
I mean, every day is really about them, right? And so they're talking to us and saying, hey, we need this from a product standpoint. We want to go on an impact trip. We want to do this type of work. And so it's all about listening, responding, and showing up and supporting them. And so it's exciting. Our international business is growing in an incredible way. We have a Teams business, which is how we serve institutions. So we're serving institutions in the US. It's about a $2 billion market. And so it's really exciting to professionalize and standardize and brand different teams across the US and around the world. And finally, we're opening up retail stores. We call them community hubs. We have one in Century City. We're opening up in Philly in the next few months. And so really so many exciting things to come.
Well, Trina, it's been wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk. And thank you to all the wonderful nurses that you brought
Awesome
along
humans.
to celebrate.
Awesome humans!